Everyone, welcome to Smile Kids channel. Today we are going to do a special program A to Z in Scratch. So watch the video till the end. Hi everyone, now let's do an awesome program in Scratch. First, let's choose a backdrop. I want to take blue sky. I will delete this sprite one and go to choose a sprite. Add city bus. I will keep it in the center of the backdrop. Now I will go to costumes. Instead of scratch tools, I will take a text and write Smiley Kids. And I'll keep it in the center of the bus. So here you can see we have done our bus, but we need to do the coding. Go to events. When clicked, go to control, repeat 26. Now go to motion, go to x minus 335 and y is minus 99. Now drag, glide 2 seconds to x is minus 11 and y is minus 100. Now go to control, wait 5 seconds. Again go to motion, glide 1 second to x 331 and y is minus 99. Now we have completed our code for the bus. Now let's add another sprite. Go to choose a sprite. Go to letters. I will take A. I'll keep A on the bus. Now I need to code this A. Go to events. When clicked, go to looks, hide. Now go to control, wait 2.5 seconds, go to looks, show, again go to control, wait 2 seconds, again go to looks, hide. Now let's add another sprite. Go to choose a sprite. I want apple. I will increase the size up to 115 and keep it on the bus. Now the code for block A is the same code for apple. I will select this, copy and paste it in apple. This is the code for apple. Now let's add another sprite. Go to choose a sprite. Go to letters. I will take block B. I will keep block B on the bus. Now I have copied A block code. Don't paste it in B block code because it is changed. Go to events. When clicked, go to looks, hide. Again go to events. When B key pressed, control, wait 0.1 seconds, go to looks, show. Again go to control, wait 2 seconds. Again go to looks, hide. Now I need another sprite. Go to choose a sprite. I want balloon. I will keep the balloon on the bus. Go to costumes. I want yellow color. That's why I'm selecting yellow. Now the code for balloon is go to events. When clicked, go to looks, hide. Now again go to events. When B key pressed, go to control, wait 0.1 seconds, again go to looks, show, go to control, wait 2 seconds, go to looks, hide. This is the code for the balloon. Now you need to follow the block B's code for all the letters. Now we have completed our full code. Let's check. A for apple. B for balloon. C for car. D for dove. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice water. J for jar. K for key. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nine. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. U for unicorn. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Please subscribe to our channel Smiley Kids and click on the bell icon for all the updates and watch our other videos.